These are the scientific notations for these two long numbers. You can see scientific notation simplifies this and gives in a standard form any sort of number, may it be very huge or very small. We have learned in the previous video about scientific notations. Now we will learn how to solve scientific notations. Before we get into that, I will tell you few basic things. Now imagine this number needs to be changed in terms of its power, like 10 to the power 8 is over here. I need in terms of 10 to the power 9 or 10 to the power 7. How do we do it? There are different methods, but the easiest thumb rule would be this. If you are increasing this number, then reduce the exponent, or it can be other way around. If you're reducing the exponent, increase this number. Or if you're increasing the exponent, reduce this number. So reduce by what? By 10. It's either multiply by 10 or divide by 10. In the sense, just move the decimal point. Now let us increase this. See, it's 10.6. We are moving this decimal point. We made this number bigger than the initial number. So exponent reduces. You can't increase both. If you increase one, reduce the other one. Same thing over here. Now let me reduce this. It'll become 0.106. Since I will reduce this, I have to increase this to 9. So it'll be 0.106, 10 to the power 9. Same way, try these by yourselves now. I'm sure you might have known it. You can pause the video now and write increase and decrease. I hope you have tried it. Now we can see over here 5.61. Let me increase this number first, 56.1. If I increase, it will be negative 1, minus 1. So minus 10 minus 1 will be negative 11. And similarly, if I reduce it by 1, it will be 0.561. And add 1 to this, it will be minus 9. So with this knowledge, you can easily solve scientific notations. Here we are being told to add these two scientific notations, 5.9 times 10 to the power 11 or plus 4.0 into 10 to the power 10. How do we solve it? It's very simple. You need to get these two 10 to the power, the exponents, to the same number. I can't have 11 and 12. I should either make this 10 or make this 11. Let's try both of them. Now, first one, the question over here, you can see the exponents are not the same. So let me reduce this first 11 to 10. So I'm decreasing the exponent from 11, it's coming to 10. That means this number must be increased. So it'll be, move the decimal point, make it bigger for 59. Instead of 5.9, it'll become 59. Here, don't change this because we need both in the same, right? We got 10 to the power 10 and over here it's the same thing. Now add these numbers, 59 plus 4 will be 63 times 10 power 10. Is it over? Now they have told express your answers in scientific notations. Scientific notations means there will be only one significant digit before the decimal point. So we have 6 and 3, so we need to get 6.3. That is 6 decimal point 3. That means from 63 to 6.3, we are reducing this number and increase this over here. 6.3, since we reduced it from 63, increase the exponent to 11. That's it, increase it by 1. Same way we can solve it by changing this 10 to the power 10 to 10 to the power 11. Let's try this. 5.9, 10 to the power 11 remains same. Since we are increasing 10 to 11, you need to reduce this number from 4 to 0.4. Now then, add these two decimal points. That is, sorry, not decimals, add these two numbers. 5.9 plus 0.4 is 6.3 times 10 to the power 11. This is how you can solve scientific notations.